If SketchUp is showing the error that hardware acceleration is unsupported or has been disabled, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a graphics driver issue, the wrong GPU being used, or a power setting that's limiting performance. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp running properly again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, let's start with the most common solution: updating your graphics card drivers. This is often the #1 fix because SketchUp relies heavily on your GPU to display models smoothly. Instead of using Windows Device Manager, go directly to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer. If you have NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA's driver download page. If you have AMD, use AMD's official support site. And if you have Intel graphics, download the latest driver from Intel's website. Once you install the newest driver, restart your computer and then open SketchUp again to see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is whether SketchUp is using the correct graphics processor. This is especially important if your computer has two GPUs, such as integrated Intel graphics and a dedicated NVIDIA card. On Windows, open your GPU control panel. For NVIDIA users, that means opening the NVIDIA control panel. Then go to the section for managing 3D settings or program settings. Find SketchUp in the list or add it manually if it doesn't appear. After that, set SketchUp to use the high-performance processor instead of the integrated one. This tells your system to prioritize the stronger GPU when SketchUp launches. Once you apply the change, close the control panel and reopen SketchUp. Now let's check your Windows power settings, because this can also trigger hardware acceleration errors. If your computer is in power saver mode, it may limit graphics performance and prevent SketchUp from using your GPU correctly. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery or Power Options, depending on your version of Windows. Make sure your power mode is set to Balanced or Best Performance instead of Power Saver. On a laptop, this is especially important when you are running on battery power. After changing the setting, restart SketchUp and test it again. Next, open SketchUp itself and check its graphics settings. Inside SketchUp, go to Window, then Preferences, and look for the Graphics section. In this area, you can often review the graphics hardware that SketchUp is detecting. If there are options available, try switching between them or refreshing the graphics settings. Sometimes SketchUp may be pointed at the wrong adapter or may need a restart after a driver update before it recognizes the correct hardware. If you see any warning messages or options related to rendering, make sure they match your system's capabilities. If you are using the web version of SketchUp, there is one more important setting to check inside your browser. Open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Make sure the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. This setting allows the browser to use your GPU instead of relying only on the CPU, which can help prevent graphics problems in SketchUp Web. After enabling it, fully restart your browser and reload SketchUp. If none of those fixes work, it is a good idea to double check that your graphics drivers are not only installed but also fully up to date and compatible with your version of Windows. Sometimes a Windows update can conflict with an older GPU driver, so reinstalling the latest official driver from the manufacturer can make a big difference. You can also try rebooting after every major change because SketchUp and Windows sometimes need a fresh restart before hardware acceleration becomes available again. So to recap, if you see the SketchUp hardware acceleration unsupported or disabled error, start by updating your graphics drivers, then force SketchUp to use your high-performance GPU, check your Windows power mode, review SketchUp's graphics settings, and if you are on the web version, enable browser hardware acceleration. These steps solve the issue in most cases and should get you back to modeling much faster. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and share it with someone who is stuck on the same SketchUp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.